It's the first Saturday of June, and for a lot of families, this is when an international move starts to feel real. School is ending, job transfers are starting, leases are changing, and suddenly the question becomes, what do we actually need to do before our shipment leaves? If that sounds familiar, you are not behind. You just need a clear plan. One of the biggest mistakes people make when moving overseas is thinking the move starts on packing day. It does not. Packing day is just one step. The real success of an international move is decided before the truck arrives. Your documents, your inventory, your customs requirements, your packing plan, and your shipping method all affect how smoothly your move goes. So here are 5 things to handle before your shipment leaves. Number 1. Confirm your destination documents. Every country has its own rules. Some destinations may require a passport copy, proof of residence, a valued inventory, customs forms, or documents showing that your household goods are used personal effects. This is one of the most important parts of the process, because missing paperwork can create delays, storage charges, or unexpected customs issues. Number 2. Decide what should actually go. International moving is not just about packing everything you own. It is about choosing what makes sense for your new home, your lifestyle, and your shipping method. Large furniture, fragile artwork, family heirlooms, seasonal items, and electronics may all need different planning. Before packing day, walk through your home and separate items into 3 groups: things you need overseas, things you should store, and things you should not ship. That simple step can make the entire move easier. Number 3. Understand the difference between sea freight and air freight. Air freight may make sense for a smaller shipment or essential items you need sooner. Sea freight is usually the better fit for larger household goods moves. The right choice depends on your shipment size, destination, timing, and budget. It is not just about speed, it is about choosing the method that fits your move. Number 4. Create a clear inventory. Your inventory is not just a list for you. It helps with customs, it helps with insurance, and it helps with delivery. A vague list can create confusion. A clear list helps everyone understand what is moving, what needs special handling, and what value is being declared. That is especially important for artwork, antiques, electronics, and higher value items. Number 5. Talk about insurance before moving day. International shipping involves trucks, warehouses, ports, vessels, customs, and final delivery. That is why it is important to understand your coverage options before your shipment is packed. Insurance is not something to figure out after the boxes are already on the truck. It should be part of the planning conversation from the beginning. Here is a simple example. Imagine a family moving from California to Europe in July. They are focused on flights, temporary housing, school paperwork, and saying goodbye to friends. All of that matters, but their shipment also needs attention. If they wait until the last minute to prepare customs documents, inventory details, and insurance information, the move can become stressful very quickly. But if they start with a plan, confirm the destination requirements, separate what goes by sea from what they may need sooner, and prepare a clean inventory, the process feels much more manageable. That is the difference between reacting to the move and guiding the move. So here is the takeaway. Do not start with boxes. Start with the plan. Confirm the destination rules. Decide what is worth shipping. Choose the right freight option. Prepare your inventory. And protect your shipment with the right coverage. When those 5 pieces are in place, packing day becomes much easier. If you are planning an international move this summer, SDC International Shipping can help you understand your options, prepare your household goods shipment, and guide you through the process from door to door. Call SDC International Shipping today or visit sdcinternationalshipping.com to start planning your move.